What is up guys, to another side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust your employees leave or annual leaves or salaries here at the Xero's Payroll. So first you need to head over to the Xero's website, and after that you just simply need to log in with your Xero's account credentials, and after that at the top you will see the option of payroll. Simply click on that payroll option and then you need to click on this employees option. After clicking on the employees option, here all your employees page will open. So from there you just simply need to check this checkbox of that particular employee that you want to see the data of, and after that you need to click on the name of that particular checked employees. And after clicking on the name here, you will open a new window wherein you need to just hover and click to the leaves button. When you click on this leave button here, you will see all the leave balances of that particular employee, like the annual leave, the personal sick or careers leave. And then let's say you want to edit the personal sick leave. Just simply click on this hours of leave and then you can edit it according to your vision requirements. And this is how you can adjust all your employees sick and careers leave. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.